Hello everybody, this is me, John Freddy Salazar Correa. In this occasion I am developing this recording to explain some main ideas of this lesson plan, Okay, the topic of this lesson is movement of the air. Objectives. General, to know all about the different movements of the air. Specifics. Differentiate rotation from translation. Recognize the time the planet Earth moves around the sun. Understand the movement of the Earth and their relationship with the time. Okay, now I can continue with the introduction. This is a class of geography subject, which is taught to 9th grade youth with age from 12 to 15 years old. In this, students will develop their 4 abilities. And the strategy is watching a video and then develop some exercises related with the topic, which will help them to solve different doubts about the topic. Lesson descriptions. The first part of the lesson description is warming up. In this part, students will be asked with the following questions. How have you been? What do you do in your last weekend? What do you want to study when you are at college? Developing activities. Students will be asked again with the following questions to compare with the first answer. What do you know about rotation? What do you know about translation? Do you know the relation of these movements with the ear? Okay, the next part is assessment. In this part, students will develop an exercise where must fill in blanks with the correct words. Okay, this exercise was created in live worship, and the students will fill in blanks with the correct words according with the movements of the air. Okay, and the last part of this lesson plan is the conclusion. These lessons belong to the social science, and it is so important due to, through it, students will be able to identify and talk about the movements that they are made in different moments, and at the same time the students will be able to talk about the relationship, the movement of the air with the time. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and blessings.